Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within your Quizlet application account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Quizlet application within your device and make sure that you are logged in using your credentials or your social account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page, from which, if you wish to change the language, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. From here, tap on your settings and you will now be taken into the settings page. Now within this page, you will find various different options. However, there is no option to choose your app language, which means that you will need to choose your language from the app language feature within your phone settings. So open up your phone settings and then use the search box to search for language. Now from the search results, tap on app languages and then tap on app languages once again. This will now show you various list of applications that are installed on your device. Now from this list, just search for the Quizlet application and tap on it. You will now see that system default is selected. So simply use the all languages option to search for your desired language, and once you find the language that you wish to use the application in, go ahead and tap on it, and now this language will be applied to your Quizlet application right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language on Quizlet app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.